This is a neck massager that can be used to promote a healthy neck. Holding the two soft golf balls in place against your neck paraspinal muscles, gently take your neck through its natural ranges of motion. So right and left rotation as far as you can go. Then right and left lateral flexion, where you aim to take each ear down to its corresponding shoulder. You don't want to hike the shoulder up. Then flexion and extension, so looking all the way down and up. This routine encourages healthy mobility of the many joints that make up the neck, while also addressing any muscle tension that exists. You can also actively massage your neck muscles using this tool with simple circular motions. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.